GSG presents White Ink Wednesday.
I'm Mark Sudonik, Textile Application Specialist with Graphic Solutions Group. Our last episode, we showed you how to mix discharge Pantone colors using MagnaColor's MagnaMix. Today's episode, we're going to take those colors and we're going to put them on press and we're going to discharge our t-shirt. Now that we have our ink in the screens, we're ready to go ahead and print our first shirt. Because this is discharge and it works best 100% cotton, we're going to go ahead and we're going to print these on some black hammer tees today. First thing we're going to want to do is flood our screen. And move on to our next color. We're printing these through 230 mesh and we're using Kiwo Multitex Blue emulsion because it's for plastisol as well as water-based. And we're going to move on to our third color, which is going to be our gray. And we're using 70 durometer squeegees, just standard squeegee, nothing special. You can see now we have all three colors down. They're real muted, they're dull, they're kind of absorbed into the fabric. When it goes through the dryer and cures, that's when they'll lighten up and we'll actually discharge that black dye out of the cotton t-shirt. Nice. And there you have it, our discharge screen print using three colors. We utilize some halftones in the artwork, which actually gives us a design that looks to be 5 or 6 different colors. Absolutely no hand at all, super soft. The ink dives into the garment, discharges out that black dye, and gives you a really nice high-end brand kind of screen print that you can have coming out of your shop. Another great thing, it really speeds up production using discharge. You're no longer using an underbase, therefore you have one less screen to burn. You're not flashing anything, you're using less power and a lot less time on press. 3 colors, wet on wet, into the dryer, and fantastic quality print. For more information and tips on screen printing, visit gogsg.com, follow us on all social media, and join in for our next episode.